What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We are in the basement, and they had the laundry sink backed up. So we need to cut that vent pipe because when they use the kitchen line, it comes up here. So this is the vent pipe here. This is a kitchen line. We always cut above the sink level. So I like to take a coupling, just feed it over like that so it holds the pipe out of the way. I do want to give a huge shout out to Blåkläder for sending me the hat. I also have the pants with utility pockets. These are the ripstop pants. I will tag them in the comments down below. We are going to be using the Milwaukee M12 with a 5/16 cable with bulb head. I like to put a bend on my cable so that it hits all sides of the pipe. We just cleared it. I'm going to be putting some more cable in, and then we'll pull it out, and we'll also test everything once it all drains. I will say the problem is typically down at the floor level where they tie in, just behind there. This has been backed up for quite a while. So just gonna fill up and let it drain. While that's doing that, let's talk about these pants. So these are the Blåkläder ripstop with utility pockets. So I also have the Blåkläder belt on today. Yep. So many pockets. Usually carry a couple miles with me. Put some extra gloves. Get the keys. These pants have the leg cinch down by the cuff, so it kind of wraps around the boot. You can cinch it up. Got my flashlight charger. Got my wallet. Just so many pockets. So many loops. Got a pen down there. Yeah, just a great pair of pants so far. Again, they sent these to me. I did not pay for these, and they're not paying me to say this. So, let's let this fill up, and we'll be right back. Alright, I think that's full enough. Awesome. Now we're just going to keep the water running while we pull the cable out. We're going to take this coupling, slide it over. It'll be good for next time if it ever happens again. Thank Blåkläder for sending out the hat, the belt, and the pants, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Trog.